Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. Today's Thursday and usually we prepare the update. So first of all guys, I would like to congratulate you with a potential really big event on the Bitcoin market from the technical point of view. I'm not sure what will be beyond this event on the fundamental part, what the news and stories will be released and what events could happen, but let's take a look on the monthly chart. With the 1 week till the closing of the July, we could get the bullish grabber on the monthly chart. This is really the turning point for Bitcoin. Yes, of course, any pattern could fail. It will be really miserable thing that will happen. But currently, we could hope and potentially this pattern has a really great potential. As you know that grabber suggests taking out of the previous stop, which stands right here. So it means some upward action above this previous stop. Currently it looks really as a miracle, but who knows? If market was able to show this kind of rally, why it can't return right back up just at least for wash and rinse of this previous stop? This really could happen, but at least this is very significant, important point that provide us very important lows that maybe could be a bit different since we have some time till the end of the July, but that lows will be very important since will be some fundamental lows for Bitcoin market, and that we could use as a validation point for any bullish context, any bullish scenario that we intend to trade potential on the Bitcoin market. So this is very important. On the weekly chart, we have nothing really new, so market is challenging the previous lows, coiling around. We said recently that potentially the market could show the deeper retracement, then some downside action to complete some lower standing target before maybe some any action will change here. Because overall performance here on the intraday charts looks bearish, especially this early reversal to the downside. So when this market was showing the fluctuation, the pullbacks among this range, but suddenly it was unable to complete the upward swing back to the border and turns down earlier with this downward action. Potentially we are still considering the possible butterfly. Maybe we will get some butterfly here with a deeper standing target 26.24. So market still could flirt with the lows and on the monthly chart as well. We do not know yet whether this pattern will be formed or not. For that purpose we have to control this previous top of the 8 points. So if the zero around 36.73 will hold, market will not break it up, means that the butterfly still will be able to be formed. The same story as with the lows. So you can see current market keeps lows pretty nice, so all swing stands inside initial swing. This is necessary condition for a butterfly. Now you can see today some pullback, and this is what we are watching for. Potentially, who knows, maybe these lows will become the decisive, and right from these lows, right from the lows of the bullish grabber on the monthly chart, which actually we have here, market will be able to reestablish upward action. So that's also possible. We will see. And from that standpoint, we could keep an eye on a few moments. First of all, on the 4 time frame chart, you could see that market stands in downside channel. Now stands in the, let's call it as a double resistance or something of that sort. So you could see confidence resistance on the 4 time frame chart. It's 32.10, 32.60 approximately, and downside border of this consolidation. So it means that here market could show the pullback today, especially because it also has formed here bullish reversal swing. So you can see the swing up is greater than previous swing down. Usually after this type of the action, market shows some pullback. And this is very good moment for us because on the hourly chart we could keep an eye on the hand and shoulders pattern. So potentially entry point has to come around 31 area, 31, 30, 65, somewhere in this area. Currently it's difficult to say. Potential target of the pattern is 34.40. So we can't say it currently precisely just because we do not know where lows will be. But once we will get lows, we could estimate the target precisely. But again, to repeat you, this is minimum target of the hand shoulders, just ABC retracement. That might be with the minimum potential. It might be just the right arm of the pattern. So we have action to 33.40, and that might be the top of the butterfly wing before downside action. But who knows? Maybe this hand and shoulders will put the background, put the starting point for a monthly grabber. Maybe the upward action will start right from here. We also can't exclude it. That's why I think that we should go step by step. First, today and tomorrow we'll focus on these head and shoulders. Maybe try and take the position based on it. The risk will be below these lows, as usual. And then we will see what will happen. So initially we will focus on just minimum conservative target around 34. But then we will see how the situation will develop. So currently you can see some interesting things stands on the Bitcoin. That's worth of our attention. So let's keep watching what will happen today, tomorrow, and especially in the next week.